We started well. You know, we basically went out there and did exactly what we were going to do, kind of penetrating towards goal, making sure that we were resetting where we needed to and look after the ball. In the second half, we spilt too much ball. We lost a bit of our decision making. We had options available, but at times just didn't choose the right one. So, you know, credit to Mavs for kind of coming out to us in that second half and disrupting us really well.
Yeah, game of two halves, absolutely. You know, I'm not going to mince my words. The first half, the first opening quarter was disappointing in terms of the couple of errors that we made. We knew against this team that you make any kind of error, they're going to capitalise on it. So a couple of missed shots and, you know, a misplacement, and then that's, you know, we're 6 goals down.